Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khammagani to all of you guys. Welcome to today's class. And today is your Prodigy series for CBSE 10th, and the topic for today is one shot. So that means we'll be revising the whole topic pair of linear equation into variables in this session. First, I will discuss all the theoretical concepts which we have learned, and then we'll be solving questions related to it. So I have done this session in 5 sessions. All right, so it includes introduction and the nature of the solutions. Then I have talked about elimination method and some word problems, substitution method and cross multiplication method. Then we have done about the equations reducible to linear equation into variables, those separate topics. Session 4 and session 5 was important word problems. So 5 sessions, very important. With these 5 sessions you will be very careful, you can be very confident about this whole chapter. You will not face any difficulty, that is the guarantee. So please go through all those 5 videos if you have not. Alright, so let's start today's class, guys. My name is Gopal Paliwal. I am a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad and I have been teaching from the past 5 years. Alright, so let us start today's class. Before I start, let me tell you all that, guys, I gave you a homework question. I gave you a homework question in the previous class. So let's see how the question works. All right, what is the question? So the question is, there are 2 examination rooms, A and B. If 10 candidates are sent from A to B, the number of students in each room is same. If 20 candidates are sent from B to A, the number of students in A is double of the number of students in B. Find the number of students in each room. It's a very good question. All right, so let's say, guys, that room A, let's say in room A originally there are X students. All right, and in room B, let's say there are Y students. Now what it is saying, if 10 students are sent from A to B, number of students in each room is same. So case 1, A and B. At starting beta, you know, in room A there are X students. Now from A room you are taking 10 students out. So now the number of students in A is X minus 10 students. And those 10 students which you have taken out, you have sent it to B. So B earlier had Y students, now it has 10 more, so Y plus 10. All right, and they are saying now it is equal. So this is my equation, X minus 10 is equal to Y plus 10. So we'll get X minus Y is equal to 20. This is my first equation. Second case, what it is saying, if 20 candidates are sent from B to A. So this side A and this time B, and this time from B we are sending 20 students to A. So B had Y students, now it has Y minus 20 students, and A has X plus 20 students. And then they are saying the number of students in A is the double of number of students in B. That means in A there are X plus 20 students. This is double of number of students in B. So you'll be getting X plus 20 is equal to 2Y minus 40. So it will be equal to X minus 2Y. Shift 20 over there, so minus 60. All right, these will be my 2 equations. These are my 2 equations. If you will solve these 2 equations, beta, solve both the equation either by elimination method or multiplication method, whatever it is, you will get the value of X as 100 and Y as 80. Okay, this will be your solution. So number of students in room A is 80, number of students in room B is number of students in room A is 100, number of students in room B will be 80. Okay, simple question, very easy. All right, so we have got the correct answer for this question from how many students? So we have got it from Teddy Gupta, Akshaya, Rashmit Huda and Naman Sharma. So very well done, bachcho, to all of you. I can see many of the students are regular in giving the answers. So first thing, round of applause to all of you who are regular. Very well done, beta. Okay. Okay, so let's move ahead now. Now moving on, let's first revise the whole theory one more time. ठीक है बेटा. So let's summarize the whole theory, what it is there. So first thing, linear equation in two variable. I have told you we are talking about the pair. What we are doing beta, we are talking about the pair. Pair means two. So two equations simultaneously we are solving. A linear equation in two variable, I have told you the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and it has infinite solutions. But when I talk about pair, I will get two equations. So let's say one is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Other is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where it is the general condition coefficient of x and y both should not be equal to 0. Okay? Now, there are two ways of solving it. We can solve it by graphical method. We can find out the solution for a pair. Remember, everywhere I am talking about pair of linear equation. Alright, in two variables. So one is graphical method, the other is algebraic method. So in graphical method, we draw the graph of both the equations and we see the intersection point. So whatever are the coordinates of that intersection point, that will be the solution. Alright, so from here beta, we got to know that solution of a pair. What do we mean by solution of a pair? It means common solution of both the equations. Common solution of both the equations is called solution of the pair. That is why we look at the graph of both the lines, and wherever they intersect, this point of intersection belongs to both the lines. So it is a solution of both the equation. That is why it will be a solution of the pair. Alright, then algebraic method, here we do not draw the graph. With calculation we get the answer. So we have substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Now guys, out of these three methods, you can use any method you want if the question does not specify the method to be used. But if the question tells that solve it by this method, elimination method, or cross multiplication, in that case you have to solve by the following method only. So it is very important that you go through all the three methods. Personally, I like elimination method. I feel it is the best one. Quickly we can solve the equations with that. Okay. Alright, now consistency of system. So I have told beta, when we talk about a pair, we have three conditions. First condition, when both the lines, see, the linear equation into variables which we are looking at, their graph will be straight line. So first condition is when both the lines are parallel. In that case we get no solution. Second is if the graphs are intersecting, that one point will be the one solution or the unique solution. And if both the lines are on top of each other, that is coincident. This is called coincident line. So if this is the case, in that case beta, there will be infinite solution, because each and every point is the common point for both the lines, right? So when there are parallel lines, no point of intersection, no common point, no common solution. In case of intersecting lines, one point of intersection, one common solution. In case of coincident lines, infinite solution. Now, consistent system beta, consistent system means at least one solution, alright. So remember guys, both the intersecting lines as well as coincident lines comes under consistent pair or consistent system, because in both these cases we get a solution. Also, one solution or the intersecting lines, this case when we get a unique solution, this case is called independent consistent system. You can remember with independent intersecting. And the other one, infinite solutions, where we get infinite solutions, coincident lines, it is called dependent consistent system. This case, no solution, where we do not get any solution, that is parallel lines. This case is inconsistent, because here we do not have any solution at all. Okay, so this is just the theory. The graphs you can see very well. Alright, then the condition. Now see, this is one way we can see whether the system will be of parallel lines or intersecting lines or coincident lines. But suppose if I don't draw the graph, and just by looking at the equation with calculations, can I know? So these are the conditions. First one, A1, actually it is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then it is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, and it is upon. Alright, this upon sign has gone up. So when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, first thing beta, you have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and here you have a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So first look at the ratio of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we don't care about c1 by c2. Remember this thing, many students ask, sir, what if c1 by c2 is equal to this? We don't care. I don't care about c1 by c2 if a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal. Directly I will say it has unique solution or intersecting lines, or I can say intersecting lines. Then next case, sir, if a1 by a2 becomes equal to b1 by b2, in that case I will get two conditions. One is, sir, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and suppose c1 by c2 is also equal. So in that case, guys, you will get infinite many solution, or we can say coincident lines. And the second case is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but c1 by c2 is not equal to them. So in that case, you will get parallel lines, and that means no solutions. Alright beta, so remember, only if a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal, we go for the value of c1 by c2. Otherwise, if a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal, directly it's a unique solution. No need to think about c1 by c2 at all. Alright, so these are the conditions which directly tells about that what will be the nature of solution, whether there will be unique solution or infinitely many solution or no solution at all. Okay beta, alright, very easy thing. Okay, then comes substitution method, so in which we will do the substitution. We take one equation, take value of one variable, substitute in another one. All these we have done in detail. Substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method, guys, I have done in detail in the previous videos, session number 2 and session number 3. Please watch that, all your doubts will be cleared related to this. Alright beta, then we have talked about reducible equations as well. So in this, the equations are not directly in the form of linear equation into a variable, but can be converted. And then we have looked at some questions related to word problems also related to this, like upstream, downstream. Those word problems are related to this also. And there are like many word problems. This applications is the most important part. Applications as well as reducible equations, session 4, session 5, most important. Please do not miss them at any cost. Okay bachcho, now we will be solving some questions. Alright, so before I move ahead, guys, I would like to request all of you to please like this video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. Alright, because we come up with these classes every day. So you want to complete your syllabus in a scheduled manner, in a fixed manner, and in a strategic manner. That means that you know what are the important questions. You need a guidance, which we are trying to provide to you through this YouTube platform, so that all your doubts, all the types of questions which are important in your examination, we can take care of it at this platform. All right, but also again, it has its limitations as well. So for that, we have Vedantu's Pro Subscription. I'll talk about that how can you go for Vedantu's Pro Subscription, which has all the features which this YouTube platform does not have, like asking doubts, quizzes in every session. All right, doubts being solved by the class teachers, test series, assignments, notes, amazing things. All right, so I'll tell you, but let's first solve some questions. First question: solve the following system of equations graphically. So whenever I have to solve the system of equations graphically, beta, I need to make sure that I draw the graph. Obviously, I have to draw the graph. So let us draw the graph for these two equations. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. All right. So we can start with putting the values of y. All right. So let's say put x and y over here. Let's say put y equal to -2. If I put y equal to -2, it will be 2x. 3 into -2 is -6 is equal to 4. So 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. Then we can put y is equal to 0. So it will be 2x minus 3 into 0 is 0 equal to 4. So I can say 2x is equal to 4. That means x is equal to 2. So it will be 2. And although 2 points are enough, sufficient, but if you want to be sure when you are drawing the graph, draw 3 points. If all the 3 points are coming in a straight line, your solution is correct. If all the 3 points are not in a straight line, you have done a mistake with the solution. So check them again, right? So I will go right now only with 2, but you should draw at least 3. Okay, next equation beta we have is 3x minus y is equal to minus 5. So let's say x and y. All right. Okay. So I will start with, let's say, y. So let's put y is equal to minus 1. So if I put y is equal to minus 1, 3x minus of minus 1 is equal to minus 5. So, or let's do, okay. So it will be 3x plus 1 is equal to minus 5. Shift it over there. Plus 1 will become minus 1. So minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. X is equal to minus 2. All right. We have got x equal to minus 2. Next, let's take the value of x something. Let's take the value of x as 0. Any value you can take. So 3 into 0 is 0. Minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus y is equal to minus 5. Negative negative got cancelled. Y is equal to 5. Okay, beta? So y is equal to 5 over here. So these are the solutions. Coordinate wise, the coordinates which I have to point is 5 comma minus 2, and here we have 2 comma 0, and here minus 2 comma minus 1 and 0 comma 5. All right, so let us draw the graph of both. When you will draw the graph of both, all right, so this is how both the lines are going to look, 0 comma 5, and here it is something what I have put, minus 2 comma minus 1. So minus 2 comma minus 1, something over here. Yeah, see, minus 2 comma minus 1 is lying on this line as well. Alright, this is the first line, this is the second line. Both of them intersect at this point. The coordinates of this point, guys, will be x equal to minus 1, y equal to 2. So I can say x equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2 will be the common solution. So this is how we find out the solution graphically. Remember this thing, graphically, very important thing. All right, chalo, let's go for the next question. Solve for x and y. Now again, since it is not mentioned which method to be used, you can use any of those algebraic method: elimination, substitution, cross multiplication, anything you like. All right, so for example, let's say, guys, the equations which we have over here is x by 3. What is that? X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 11. All right, and here we have 5x by 6 minus y by 3 plus 7. So this second equation I can write it as 5x by 6 minus y by 3 is, x by 3 upon y by 4 it is equal to minus 7. Now what I did, you can either take the LCM, all right, and try to, you can remove the fractional part, but what I'm saying, y by 4, y by 3, so what I'll do, I'll multiply this thing over here with 1 by 3, here I'll multiply with 1 by 4, so that I will get everything's done. Here I'll get x by 9, then plus y by 4, 3 is a 12 is equal to 11 by 3, and here I have 5x by 6 4 is 24 minus y by 4 3 is 12 is equal to minus 7 by 4. When I did this, beta, you can clearly see that, sir, now if I add both these equations, y will get cancelled. We have x by 9 plus 5x by 24 is equal to 11 by 3 minus 7 by 4. Okay? Take LCM over here, beta. So you can say 24, 48, 72. So 72 will be over here. So here we need to multiply with 8. So 8x and 24 3s are, so plus 15x is equal to, here LCM will be 12, and here 11 4s are 44, 4 3s are minus 7 3s are 21. All right. So what we are getting, beta, 18 plus, sorry, 8 plus 15 is 23x by 72 is equal to 44 minus 21 will be equal to 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 23 upon 12. Alright, shift this over here, 23 to 23 got cancelled, x is equal to 72 by 12 which is equal to 12 6, x is equal to 6. Now if x is equal to 6, put this in any of the equation. Suppose if I'll put it in the first equation. Alright, so first equation is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 11. If I put x equal to 6, guys, I am putting x equal to 6. So the equation, what it will become? Sir, it will become 6 by 3 plus y by 11 is equal to 11. 6 by 3 is 2 plus y upon, sorry, y by 4 it is. I don't know why I'm writing it is again 11, 11. Y by 4 is equal to 11. So is equal to 11. So shift 2 over there. Y by 4 is equal to 9. So y is equal to 4 9s are 36. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 36 will be your correct answer. Simple question. Alright. So which method I have used beta over here? I have used elimination method. Alright. This is elimination method. I have eliminated the one variable by addition or subtraction of the equation, and to make the coefficient same I can multiply both the equations with any number. Alright, so this is called elimination method. Next problem we have is this: solve for x and y. So what do we have over here? 6 times of ax plus by is equal to 3a plus 2b. Let's try to solve it with substitution method. Let's do that, right? So we have, what do we have over here? 6ax plus 6by is equal to 3a plus 2b. Let us say we try to eliminate y. Let's say I want to eliminate y, or let's say get the value of this equation in terms of y is equal to something. So I will say, sir, 6by, I can write it as 3a plus 2b minus 6ax. So y will be equal to 3a plus 2b minus 6ax divided by 6b. Guys, you can solve it with any method you want. I'm just trying to show you all the three methods. Okay? So I have chosen the first equation, and first equation, from there I have chosen the variable y. Value of y I have got as 3a plus 2b minus 6ax is upon 6b. Now this value I will substitute in the second equation. Second equation we have is 6bx minus 6ay is equal to 3b minus 2a. So it will be 6bx minus 6a into what is y? Y we have is 3a plus 2b minus 6ax whole divided by 6b. Don't be scared, yaar. Don't be scared, sir. How will we solve this? Let's do that, yaar. Let us, wherever multiplication will multiply, wherever division will divide. Simple. So we have 3b minus 2a. Alright. If I can see something of a shortcut, I would like to go for that. But okay, first thing I saw here, 6 to 6 can be cancelled. So I have 6bx minus, what do I have? Minus 3. So here we have 3a square plus 2ab minus 6a square x. Alright, whole divided by b is equal to 3b minus 2a. Now take LCM over here. So beta b into b is 6b square x. Then minus, open the bracket. It will become minus 3a square minus 2ab plus 6a square x whole divided by b is equal to 3b minus 2a. So I can see 6b square x, 6a square x. So if I take x common, I am left with, or 6x common, I am left with a square plus b square. And then minus 3a square minus 2ab. So if I take a common, I'll be left with 3a minus 2b. Chalo. So here we will take minus of a common. We can see 3a plus 2b. And this b I am shifting over there. So it will be equal to b into 3b minus 2a. अब देखो, although you might think sir it is becoming bit complicated, but at the end it will be all worth it. ठीक है, so at the end it can be solved. So let us try to separate everything. I think it won't be needed, right? 3b square here. Okay, I don't think it, no need to take common. Let's keep it like that only. Let's see at the end if there is some cancellation, right? So what do we have over here? We have minus 3a square minus 2ab, and here I'll get 3b square, and here minus 2ab. So you can see minus 2ab got cancelled. Shift minus 3a square over there. So we have 6x times of a square plus b square is equal to, guys, 3b square, shift minus 3a square, it will become plus 3a square, right? So what I will say, 3a square plus 3b square. You can take 3 common, so 6x times of a square plus b square is 3 times of a square plus b square. A square plus b square got cancelled. X is equal to 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. One value I have got, this value I will substitute in now any of the equation, either in the first one or in the second one. Let's say I will substitute in the first equation. So 6ax plus by is equal to 3a plus 2b. So we have 6 times of, say, a into x is 1 by 2 plus by is equal to 3a plus 2b. So 6 into a by 2, so 2 ones are 2 3s are, so 3a plus 6by is equal to 3a plus 2b. 3a to 3a got cancelled. Y will be equal to 2b upon 6b, sorry, upon 6b. b to b got cancelled, it will be 1 by 3. So value of y is equal to 1 by 3. ठीक है बेटा? So what is this method I have used? From any one equation, I have taken the value of any one variable, substitute that in other. So this is called substitution method. This is called substitution method. I will try to cover all the 3 methods. I will try to show you that any question you can solve with any method. There is no like, so this can be solved only with elimination, nothing like that. Sometimes it may be lengthy. Elimination method sometimes it gives the answer in the easiest way. Alright, okay. So here x is 1 by 2, y is 1 by 3. Simple question. Alright, now moving ahead, guys, as I was telling you that yes, we try to do our best at YouTube, like taking all the classes, make sure that students are regular over here. They get the benefit by covering all the types of questions which are there, and also completing the syllabus. But there are again some limitations which we cannot do, like making it personalized. Suppose this you are watching the recording. Now here I cannot see how much you have understood, or I cannot see, or you cannot realize like how much you have understood and can you answer the quiz questions. There are some limitations, right? All those limitations, beta, you can get rid of by joining Vedantu's Pro Subscription. Now to tell you that how much we have confidence that if a student joined Vedantu's Pro Subscription, what they will get, we know out of all the things, best thing, they will get improvement. That is why we are giving you Vedantu's improvement promise. Simple words, beta, we take the guarantee of your improvement. So this is like one of a feature which no one has ever offered. It is guaranteed improvement. We give you the guarantee of your marks improvement. We are saying that whatever marks you had last year, join Vedantu's Pro Subscription, your marks will improve. That is the guarantee. No one else will ever give you this guarantee. So this is to all the students who are still, say, doubtful. Sir, I don't know whether online will work for me or not. So what? Join it. If it doesn't work by the end of the year, suppose if you do not see the improvement, under this guarantee, beta, your whole fee will be returned. So whatever you have studied will be free if you don't improve. That is what we are giving you as a promise. Now, no teacher, anywhere you are going, any institute will never give you this guarantee, but yes, we are giving you. Alright beta, so join Vedantu's Pro Subscription. Now what are the features which you'll get in the classes? So this will be a high-tech classroom in which all the classes will be filled with fun and high-level quizzes. Also you can attend unlimited classes. You can attend as many classes as you want, whatever, like any course you can register, no maximum limit. As many classes you want, you can attend. So we will never stop you from saying ki nahi, 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 you have already taken 3 classes, you cannot take more. No, take as many classes as you want. The next thing, students from the different parts of the world, so you will be able to interact with them, and also you'll get to know where do you actually stand. The third thing, now suppose when you are watching the recording right now on YouTube, you cannot answer the quiz questions, or I cannot go for Menti, right? But in Vedantu's Pro Subscription beta, even while watching the recording of a class, you can attend the quizzes. So while recording also, it will not be like one-way interaction. I am telling you something, it will be two-way. You will learn and then you can check with the help of quizzes. You can see your name in the leaderboard even while watching the recording as well. So your recording also are going to be interesting like a live class. Next, notes, assignments, quality test, everything you'll get at one place. No need to go for 1,000 places to get say what are the important questions, which questions are important. Everything you'll get at one place. All the important questions related to exam point of view with the guidance of teacher as well. We'll also tell you in the class ki guys, this is very important, please make a note, all these things. So that is a proper guidance. All right, remember guys, always like in the examinations which are very important, guidance is a must. Someone must be there. All right, so that is what we are trying to give you in this course, a proper guidance, a proper strategy, a proper say a foolproof plan to see improvement in your marks. All right, also there will be in class doubt solving. So how much do we care about your doubts? You can see just with this feature that in all the classes which you will take at Vedantu, other than the master teachers, there will be extra teachers, dedicated teachers just to take care of your doubts. So any doubt you're getting guys, you can just put the doubt in the message box and your doubts will be answered in the real time. Okay? So that with this we are trying to go that we don't want any of our students to go with the doubts unresolved or with a doubt in their head. Coming the doubts is a good thing. Like if you're getting a doubt in your head, we are happy about it. But if you don't, if you go without with that doubt, that's not what Vedantu's classes are like. We care of each and every doubt. Whatever doubt you have, that will be answered in the class. So that is what we are aiming for. And also unlimited micro courses and crash courses. You can attend as many courses, micro courses, that means topic specific course, or crash courses, revision courses. So with this you can revise a topic as many times as you want. You can study a topic with whatever header you want, whatever times you want. So this is like giving you the freedom of what you want to study, your plan, your scheduling. All right, so all this beta you are getting at a very genuine price, and features are, it is loaded with features. So more classes, less price. All right, remember the link for subscription of Vedantu's Pro Subscription is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Also, GPE Pro is the code beta which will give you extra 10% off. So please don't forget to apply GPE Pro as well. Alright, so let me quickly tell you how can you register for Vedantu's Pro Subscription. Let's say this is a video. Alright, now in the description box of this video, you can see over here, register for Vedantu Pro Subscription. Just click on this link. Once you have clicked on this link guys, you will be coming to this page. Now, it is over here showing grade 10 CBSE 2022. If you want, you can click on edit and change your grades or your boards, CBSE, ICSE, anything. Then click on get started. Once we have clicked on get started, we have 3 courses guys. All right. The first one being Pro Lite, then Pro Classic, and then Pro Plus. All right. So here I have shown you edit button. With edit button, you can click on get started after fixing your class and target. Now, 3 options you have beta for subscription: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Pro Lite being the most basic course comes with all the features which I have told you till now. Yes, our most basic course also comes with all these features which I have told you till now. That is live classes, test series, assignments, and test notes, doubt solving during the classes. Now comes the Pro Classic, which is the moderate course, which is like in the middle one, and in this we get doubt solving on mobile app. Alright, so after the class, if you're getting any doubts, you can get the answer for that, but just click the photo of that, post the photo in the doubts app, and you'll get the solution for it. And then comes Pro Plus, which is one more extra feature of personal mentor. So personal mentor, you can think of them like your coach, guide, supporter, motivator. Any doubt you have, academic, non-academic, they will be happy to help you all. Alright, so they'll be always available for all of you for any doubts you are getting. So the prices are varying according to the features. The most basic course Pro Lite is available at this price after applying GPE Pro. Make sure here GPE Pro is applied. If it is not, click over here, write GPE Pro and click on apply. Okay? So suppose if you are new over here and you want to try it once, even after all the features, suppose you want, nahi sir, I just want to try it once, let's see whether it will suit me or not, you can go for try for 1 month. Click on that, you will be able to try it for 1 month, and after the 1 month you are satisfied, buy the complete course. Now many students might not be able to afford this price altogether. What you can do, EMI option is also available, so you can pay in installments and all will be like a smooth flow. Installments, EMI makes it better, right? So all these things, any other doubts, if I am not able to answer or I have not answered, you'll be getting the answer for that in frequently asked question at the bottom of the page. Please visit, check this out as well. All right, so this is what you're getting, amazing course in Vedantu's Pro Subscription, and with the guarantee of improvement in your marks. I don't think you need to think about anything else, right? Okay, now next question, solve for x and y by cross multiplication. Ab dekho beta, here it is already specified cross multiplication, so I don't have any other choice. I have to use cross multiplication. Now whenever I use cross multiplication, it is very important that both the equations are in the general form. That means equal to 0 is there. Yes, both are already in the general form. So what we'll do, first I'll write x, then y, and then 1. And then first I will write, once I have written x, then we write b1, b2, x coordinates of y, constant terms, coordinates of x, again coordinates of y. So b1, b2 is 2 and minus 3. Then after that c1, c2, so 1 and minus 12. Then a1, a2, 1 and 2, and then again b1, b2, which is 2 and minus 3. All right, okay, yeah, we are coming back over here. Okay, so now cross multiply. So I will say, sir, write x upon 2 into minus 12, which is minus 24. All right, minus 24. Then we'll use the minus sign, going here to here, minus sign, minus 3 into 1, which is minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So don't forget this, tuck, 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 tuck. This is what you need to remember. Same tuck, tuck, tuck we'll do over here, tuck, tuck, tuck. This tells you minus sign here to here and here to here. So we will get y upon 1 into 2 is 2, minus of minus 12 into 1 is minus 12. And here it will write equal sign is equal to 1 upon 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus of 2 into 2 is 4. Alright, so what we have got beta, we have got x upon minus 24 plus 3, and here we have y upon 2 plus 12, and here we have got y upon minus 7. So minus 24 plus 3 is minus 21. X upon minus 21 is equal to y upon 14 is equal to y upon, oh sorry, last one is 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 7. Alright guys, now all the three fractions are equal to each other. So I can say x by minus 21 and y by 14, both are equal to 1 upon minus 7. So x by minus 21, if it is equal to 1 upon minus 7, shift minus 21 over there, x is minus 21 upon minus 7, which is 3. And y by 14 is equal to 1 upon minus 7, shift 14 over there, 14 upon minus 7, which is equal to minus 2. So we have got x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 as our solution. So cross multiplication method is also very easy. If the coefficients are smaller, quickly you can solve with the cross multiplication method. Alright beta, so this is how this question can be solved. Okay, moving on. Next question is this: solve by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So we now, if you will see beta over here, x and y are in the denominator, and if x and y are in the denominator, I can clearly say they are not in the pair of linear equation. They are not linear equation. Variable is in the denominator, the power is not 1, it is -1 if it is in the denominator, right? So I can say, sir, no, this is not a linear equation. So but it can be converted. How? See, this 5 upon x minus 1 which is written over here, I can write it as 5 into 1 upon x minus 1, yes or no? And this 1 upon x minus 1, suppose if I give it as any variable a, I can write that as 5a, right? So what I'll do, I'll write 1 upon x minus 1 as a and 1 upon y minus 2 as suppose b. So first equation, 5 into 1 upon x minus 1, so 5a, plus 1 upon y minus 2 is b is equal to 2. Second equation, 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Alright, so I can eliminate this, multiplying this equation with 3, you will get 5 3s are 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. Second equation keep like that only. So 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Let us do the addition. This 3b minus 3b got cancelled. 15 plus 6 guys, 15 plus 6 is 21a is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 by 21, which is 1 by 3. What is A? A is 1 by 3. Now this value of A, I can put it in any equation, equation 1 or equation 2. Let's put it in equation 2. So equation 2, I have 6A minus 3B is equal to 1. So 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3B is equal to 1. So we have got 2 minus 3B is equal to 1. Shift 1 over here, minus 3b over there. So 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1 and it will be 3b. So b is equal to also 1 by 3. Wait. Minus 3b, 2 minus 1. Okay. So b is also equal to 1 by 3. Alright. Ab beta dekho, I know 1 upon x minus 1 and 1 upon y minus 2. A is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So if a is equal to 1 by 3, 1 upon x minus 1 is also equal to 1 by 3. So reciprocating, I will get x minus 1 is equal to 3. That means x is equal to what? Minus 1 will be shifted there, plus 1, x is equal to 4. And b is also equal to 1 by 3. That means b is 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Reciprocate, y minus 2 is equal to 3. Minus 2 shifted over there, y is equal to 5. So we have got x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Okay? So although the equations are not in linear equation form, into variables form, but we have converted it and then solved. Okay? So this is a very important topic guys, very important topic in this chapter. So please don't forget session 4, please go through it if you have not. Next question, find the values of a and b for which each of the following system of this linear equations has infinite number of solution. So beta, we know for infinite solution we need a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, coincident lines, right? So let's look at that. So what I have, first write this equation in the general form. So we have a minus 1 into x plus 3y, shift 2 over there, minus 2 equal to 0. And then we have 6x plus 1 minus 2b into y minus 6 equal to 0. So a1 by a2 will be a minus 1 upon 6 is equal to b1 by b2, which is 3 upon 1 minus 2b is equal to c1 by c2, which is minus 2 upon minus 6, which means 1 by 3. So both these a minus 1 by 6 will be equal to 1 by 3. Shift 6 over there. A minus 1 is 6 by 3, which is 2. A is equal to 3 and 3 upon 1 minus 2b also is equal to 1 by 3. So cross multiply, 1 minus 2b is equal to 3 3s are 9. Shift 1 over there, minus 2b is equal to 8, 9 minus 1. So b is equal to minus 4. So I can clearly say, sir, a should be equal to 3 and b should be equal to -4 to get the infinite, to get the pair of equations which has infinite solutions. Okay. Next question. The monthly incomes of A and B are in the ratio 5:4 and their monthly expenditures are in the ratio 7:5. If each saves rupees 9,000 per month, find monthly income of each. ठीक है बेटा, तो देखो we are writing income and then we are writing expenditure, and then we know saving will be nothing but income minus expenditure. Income is, let's say, I, expenditure is E, so saving will be income minus expenditure. Let's say A and B. The incomes are in the ratio 5:4, so I can take the incomes as 5x and 4x. Ratio is given, multiply with the common variable, and then expenditures are in the ratio 7:5. So now, since it is a different ratio, use a different variable. Let's say 7y and 5y. So what will be the saving, beta? Saving will be 5x minus 7y for A, and here 4x minus 5y for B. It is saying saving is now 9,000 for both. So I can say this is also equal to 9,000 and this is also equal to 9,000. I have got both my equation. 5x minus 7y is equal to 9,000, and here 4x minus 5y is equal to 9,000. Let's try to eliminate. We'll try to eliminate x. So this multiply with 4, this multiply with 5. So multiplying with 4 will get 20x minus 7y. Or they only want me to find out the monthly income. So better to get x only. Now why I am finding out x? Although can be done. Why to make it bigger? I will try to eliminate y only. Let us better try to eliminate y. It would be better. So here I will do into 5. Here I will do into 7. So first one will become 25x minus 35y is equal to 45,000, and over here 28x minus 35y is equal to 7 9 is 63,000. So for elimination, both have same coefficients. So what we need to do? We need to subtract, right? Subtract, yes, correct. So minus plus minus. So this got cancelled. 25 minus 28 is minus 3x is equal to 45 minus 63. So 5 plus 10 plus 3, which is 18. Alright. So x will be equal to, sorry, it is minus 18,000. So x will be equal to minus 18 upon minus 3. So positive 6,000. X is 6,000. If you put this value of x equal to 6,000 in any of the equation, you will get y also. So now income for A will be, what it will be? 5 into 6,000, which is equal to 30,000. And income for B, 30,000. Okay, it is that comma I wanted to write, but I think it will look something like. So it will be 30,000 for the A, and for B, it will be 4 into 6,000. 4 into 6,000, which is equal to 24,000. So the incomes of A and B is what? 30,000 and for 24,000 respectively. Alright beta, so this is how these questions will be solved. Alright, so this is all in today's class, guys. I hope you have revised everything. Alright, so please do not miss on any of the sessions we have done previously. If you feel like, suppose sir, linear equations which can be, or reducible equations, reducible to linear equation, if you are getting suppose any doubt, go for session 4. Please don't miss any of these sessions. I have done in detail over there. Alright beta, and I have already told you about Vedantu's Pro Subscription, where you are getting amazing deals. And just don't think that these prices, even after applying coupon, is only for completing your syllabus once. No, it is not that. You can complete your syllabus as many times as you want, because you have unlimited micro courses. Alright, and also Vedantu Improvement Promise, guys, we take full responsibility, full ownership of your studies. And if you do not improve in your marks, we take the guarantee and even suppose after that if you are not improving in your marks, we will give you your whole course fee back, no question asked. Yes, you heard me right, whole course fee will be returned to you if you do not improve in your marks. Only thing, we want you to be our long-term student. That means we want you to be with us throughout the year. Next, 75% attendance you should maintain and 75% of the test you must complete. ठीक है बेटा, this is the minimum condition यार, obviously ना यार, just taking the course will not be sufficient. You have to come to the classes at least. You will come to the class, you'll start remembering. Alright, so this is all beta in today's class, and as you can see, the batches have already started and new batches will be starting very soon. So join as quickly as possible, and even if you'll see there is some time in starting the batches, you can start your preparation with the micro courses. So don't delay by the time batches start. Take it now so that when the course starts, you can take the micro courses and start with your preparation. Alright. Okay, so GPE Pro is your code. Please don't forget to apply that to get 10% off. I hope all of you enjoyed the class beta. Thank you so much for coming to the session. Thank you so much for giving me the answer for the homework questions of the previous session. Alright, so this is all in today's class. Please don't forget to like the video, and thank you to all those students who have already liked the video. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.